everyone! Today we are going to draw a beautiful picture of an elephant. It has black eyes and a happy face. It has a long trunk to drink water. The elephant has big ears. Do you like drawing? Please draw with me. The elephant has 4 strong legs. They are the biggest land animals. Look at its tiny tail. So cute! It's time to color. Pink. Blue. Elephants love to eat leaves and fruits. They are kind and smart animals. What a beautiful elephant! Let's draw more animals together. Are you ready to draw a dinosaur? Let's go! The name of our dinosaur is Dino. Now we will paint his big mouth and then his head. Dino is a very kind dinosaur. Now we will paint his nose. We will paint his tail and legs and then his little hands. Well, it's time to make our painting more visible. Let's go for coloring. We use green color for his body. beautiful with red, orange, and purple colors. Brown color for his nails. And finally, we use light brown and dark green to paint other parts of the painting. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Let's draw a castle together. Let's start with the castle walls. Draw a big rectangle for the main building. Now, let's add some tall towers. Every tower needs a pointed roof. Don't forget to draw the windows. Let's add a big door in the middle. How about adding flags on the towers? Let's make the castle look magical. Coloring time! You can color the castle however you like. Castles were built a long time ago to keep people safe. They have thick walls to protect from enemies. Castles often have towers to watch for danger. Kings and queens used to live in big castles. Even have secret passages. Wow! Our castle looks amazing.